Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's Hussam right here with Wasim. What up? Anyways, today happy Labor Day, everybody. And today we're heading back to Flint to my parents' house. And we're on the road right now. Stay tuned.
Come here, puppy. What's your name? Yeah. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just stopped at 69. We're heading 69 west. We stopped after Fox Road, and there was a dog on the road. We thought it was a stray dog, but it was a dog with a chain. It was rolling over a dead deer, and it was nasty.
Disgusting as shit.
Disgusting, but anyways, so we stopped to help that dog. We didn't want it to get hit by a car. We stopped on the side of the road and we backed up, and there was a lady from Canada who stopped on the road and trying to help him out too. She was pretty nice, and we called the cops and they were busy, so they couldn't come if we could drop it off. So we waited for the cops so they could come back, and nobody showed up. We waited like 20 minutes, and all of a sudden we see people on the bridge howling, "That's my dog!" So we let it go, and so the dog went back home, and then happy ending story. You do good things in life, good things come back to you, so just thinking of it that way. Right now we're on the road. Stay tuned for more. Peace! Look who just came in. Shack Attack.
What up, YouTubers? How's it going?
Good.
Hopefully you guys had a good day. I hope you guys did.
Well, we had a
Hopefully
good day. I had a good day.
What you guys do today?
We rescued a dog on the highway.
A dog?
A dog.
Was it okay?
Yeah, I almost got hit a couple times, but I used my whistle.
What kind of dog was it?
Lamb dog?
A Labrador.
Labrador? What color was it?
Black.
Black. Nice.
It was really nice, cool dog, dude. I had that thing under control.
Dogs love you, man. You're like the dog whisperer.
Dude, I just stay calm. I used to be scared as F, before, but now I just stay calm. They stay calm. I walk up to any dog. You saw me yesterday.
I give him credit. You know what I do? I run.
No,
thank you. I don't like dogs.
But that dog we seen yesterday was pretty cool.
Only when I'm with Hussam I feel safe because he's not terrified of him. So just kind of walk with the seam and deal with it. Other than that, I'm good. Isn't that funny? I'll walk into the woods, no problem in the dark. But if there's a dog, different story. No thank you. I don't know what happened to me when I was a kid, but I'll pass.
You'll run.
You want some thermals?
No, I'm good. Remember I almost died? You
Oh,
saved
this?
my life?
We eating some
Remember?
thermals.
You were eating this stuff?
Yeah.
It's called thermals. It's pretty good.
Last time I ate that stuff, Wasim had to save my life. You
Well,
remember
that's when
that?
they choked.
Hussam?
Yeah.
I couldn't breathe. I see my life flash before my eyes.
I gave you one of these
Yeah.
things. I remember that now.
What's up, guys, and welcome back. And just got back home. Had fun at my parents. Ate some zucchini stuffed in with rice and meat, and some grape leaves, and some kibbeh. Had a good day. Rescued the dog, and slept. Took a 2-hour nap. It was pretty good. And now just got back to Port Huron. About to edit this video, and new video tomorrow coming up. I don't know what it's gonna be about, but stay tuned to that. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please do, and don't forget to comment, like, and share, and subscribe. It's Hussam. Peace.